Okay, today we are going to be doing something super cool. I don't know if this is going to be cool. I I had a request to show all the goal explosions I have collected. Let's jump in and just take a quick look at my goal explosions. Oh, I also have 364 car bodies. If you're interested in seeing all of those, comment down below. 1,783 different wheels. Holy cow. Okay, would you like to see those? Should we go on a little trip through my wheel vault and see all the different wheels I have? This might take a while. Okay, let's save that for another day. These, I actually do kind of like those. Oh, and I love these peppermint ones. These are from long, long ago. Gosh, many years ago. And I think I actually traded to get these, which you can't do anymore. No more trading. Here we go. Goal explosions. This is the newest one for the underwater the aquamarine event. I think that's what they're calling it. But yes, this was available in the item shop a little while ago, a week ago. But it's awesome. Okay, let's start at the top. Obviously, I favorited it. Oh, see, we're going to be going through all my favorites first until we actually get to... Dang, there's 326 of these. Really? Do you want to go through all these? It's going to take forever. Okay. Here we go. So, first, Abracadabra. Black Market Gold Explosion, which I think you won in a tournament, if I'm not mistaken. I can't really remember. Next, we have the Atomizer, which reminds me of the THX logo. THX, if you go to thx.com and you can read all about it. Delivering the vision of a world-renowned filmmaker. George Lucas had a vision. He wanted movie lovers everywhere to experience his movies exactly the way he envisioned and exactly as they were created in the studio. Unfortunately, cinemas don't have the existing technology set up to do so. Lucas and team designed a certification program to counter these challenges, and thus THX was born. So, yeah, I just love this gold explosion because it reminds me of that. Have we heard it enough now? Let's move on. Okay, Ball Star. I think this was part of one of those tournaments. You won it in a tournament. It's cute. I like it. Okay, then the Batman one. That's from the classic Batman movie. Tim Burton's Batman. Then Beach Party. What I do love about these goal explosions is that the animation is always different. Okay, then we've got this one, Buffy Sugo, in orange. You can get this one in a variety of different colors. I got it in orange because orange is my favorite color. Okay, then we have this one, which I think was part of a rocket pass, if I remember right. Fireworks. This one is ancient. This is very, very old. I have accomplished 2,568 goals with it. I don't use this goal explosion all the time. Usually I'll play with it on July 4th or New Year's Eve. The Christmas one I always use during Christmas. This one, I really like this one because it reminds me of the Rubik's Cube. Very cool. Okay, Ice Age. This was a couple seasons ago when they did like the Fire and Ice season. I like this one because I like the cold. Jack Skellington. It's just cool. Who doesn't like Nightmare Before Christmas? The Nike logo. Planetary in white. Which, I mean, I have it favorited because I like space. I love sci-fi. So I just like the skull explosion, but I think it's cooler in color. Okay, then we've got the polyhedral. Really cool. Which I believe was also available in a tournament. Then the Righteous Gale. Which I think also came from a tournament. And again, they're always different. The animation is always different. So the star formation is always going to be different. It's kind of cool. I like that. Season 5 Diamond. The only time I've ever made it to Diamond. Okay, Seismic Charge. This one's just barely released. With the Mandalorian items. Part of like Star Wars stuff. Then the Shark. This one's awesome because it's part of the Rocket Pass that is currently happening. But this one was available in the item shop a week ago, I think. So, I don't know. They'll probably bring it back. They usually bring back everything. Nothing's really limited edition anymore. Just because you see it here and you miss out on it, give it time, it'll come back. Stay Puft, I think was released back when Ghostbusters came out. The one with Paul Rudd, I believe. But it has also come back before. And will probably be re-released. I bet you it'll be re-released again when Ghostbusters comes out on the 22nd of this month. Then we've got this one, Supernova 3. And I love the sound of this one too. Cool sound effects. And in blue. Then the T-Rex from Jurassic Park. Love that one. Really cool. Bats, which came out years ago. I usually use this one around Halloween. WoW. I think this was released when the mobile Rocket League game was released. And you got it by completing challenges or something. on the mobile game. I think that's how that works. This one, Amplitude, Black Market Goal Explosion. Then Brimstone, which is the opposite of Ice Age, was also released months ago. Calculated, I think, also came out when WoW did. They look very similar. Then these. Goals 0. I've never used this one. If it says Goals 0, that means I really don't care for this one, and I have never once used it. This one has 38. Bats 86. Stay Puffed 580. Like I think Fireworks one is the one I've used the most. Okay, so you get this one in all colors. Green and red. Blue, gray, orange, pink, purple, white. Okay, here's the classic one. Classic one, 276 times. These are all the painted version. These are all the painted versions of the original Cosmosis. And these clearly all came out of a Rocket Pass. Okay. So, still going. Get those in all the colors. Well, okay. Some of these, like I don't have this one in orange. So clearly it was later down the Rocket Pass and I never made it to that level. But these are all the ones I was able to unlock. Okay, and then Cyberspace. Yeah, the animations on this one is different as well. Orange. Oh, and here we go. Yellow. Purple. Pink. Dust Cloud. I like the Dust Cloud. 839 times. 0. I like this one, but I haven't used it yet. I have that one in different colors. Gray, crimson, green, orange, lime, purple, elemental. That's pretty cool. That was from the Fire and Ice thing, I believe. Yeah, it's cool, but I've never used it. Then you get it in different colors, gray, lime. Floppy fish. Pretty fun. Sound effects are good. I like that. I like the sound effects. Black, and I believe it's gray. Look like little sharks. Lime, that's like moldy fish. Pink, no idea. This fish is wearing makeup. Crimson, blue, green, moldy fish. This is the fish that Gordon Ramsay finds in Hell's Kitchen. No, not in Hell's Kitchen. Kitchen Nightmares. When he goes to the restaurants that are failing, Every time he goes down into the basement, let me see the kitchen. There's always something down there that's walking around by itself. Meatloaf is crawling away. The fish is all moldy. The chicken's going to be slimy. And then usually he vomits somewhere. I love that show. Yellow. Blue. White. Also still looks kind of like a shark. Okay, Force Razor. 26 times. Yeah, kind of cool. Oh, Force Razor 2. Oh yeah, this is back when they would make gold explosions kind of like the way they release the cars in the Rocket Pass now. There's the basic version of the car, and then once you get to like level 20 or 30, then you get the souped up version of the car. This is like the little basic Force Razor. Then you can get the slightly enhanced Force Razor. And I think, was there a third one? No. Nope, only 1 and 2. Do you want to see every single color? The white one's pretty cool. Okay, then we get to the Rubik's Cube one. 342 times. See, this one's multicolored. But then, of course, you can get it painted. Lime. Pink. Crimson. Forest green. Sky blue. Black. Na 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 na. Okay, gray. Cool. Okay, then white, saffron, purple, lime. Lime looks just like yellow. Okay, it's slightly different. Slightly. The green one that's a strong green. Okay. Moving on. Then we got Kablooey. Also comes in multiple colors. That one's kind of the orange, like a true explosion. So what does the orange one look like? Burnt sienna. Do I have an orange one? Oh, I never even got the orange one. Or maybe they didn't make an orange one because they were thinking to themselves, you know what? It looks just like the original. So let's not make an orange one. Because that's just a little bit darker, and that's burnt sienna. Okay, now we have laser light. That's kind of cool. Yeah, why have I never used that one? Huh. Okay. That's kind of bland. And I only have it in 2 colors. Big deal. League Legacy. I've used this one. I've gotten 9 goals with it. Okay. Light Show. Green. Lime green. Orange. Orange. We'll play this one twice because it's my favorite color. Sky blue. And titanium white. Okay, that's enough. Lotus Bloom. Ah. Lotus Bloom and Burnt Sienna. Lotus Bloom and Crimson. Lotus Bloom and Lime. Beautiful. Then we have Meta Blast. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. I think, like, once you've seen one, you really want to see all of them? Oh, look, I broke it. Now it's not even going to show it. Okay, I'm sorry. Here, show this one. It's orange. Let me show this one. And the white one. Okay, this one. I like that one. That one's cool. I've used this one 80 times. Or I've gotten 80 goals with it. Could have used it way more and just not scored any goals because I'm only 49.1% good. Gray, purple. Oh, white one. That's a cool one because it's all white. That's probably the best one. What did this one look like? Oh, the clouds are blue. Yeah, I kind of like this one more. It's cool. Okay. Yeah, I don't really care for this one. Sienna. Oh, gosh. Okay, now on to something good. This one you got out of the item shop. You had to buy it. Like that one. I like this one. It's peaceful with the birds chirping. Like a velociraptor at the end. Yellow, it doesn't. This is like something out of a horror movie. In the blue, or what is this? The black and white, yeah, that's like horror movie. Black, yep. It's like Sleepy Hollow. Burnt Sienna, yeah, that one's nice. These ones, like the blue and the yellow and the red, they don't really make any sense. Gray. That's like the Twilight Zone. No. This is, yeah, okay, Twilight Zone, or even probably more so Outer Limits. If you're a fan of the Outer Limits, you should use this one. If you have it. It was in a Rocket Pass many moons ago. Orange. That one's nice. It's like fall colors. Pink. Doesn't make any sense. Purple. No. Sky blue. No. Titanium white. Okay, then we have Phoenix Fire. Also from Rocket Pass, where you could earn the different colors. I don't think I have a lot of this one. Oh, I do. Oh, wait, no, I don't. I only have it in 7 different versions. Burnt sienna. Gold. Pink. Purple. Sky blue. Probably the coolest one is the gold one. Okay, then we got Point Break, which I do like this one. I just haven't used it yet. It's like GTA. That's what it reminds me of. GTA Vice City. Purple. Hello. This one? I love this one. This one's funny just because there can be tons of action going on in the game, and then when you finally get the goal, uneventful. Quasar. Oh yeah, this is one where it got an upgrade to Quasar 2. And then Quasar 3. And then they released version 3, the Ultimate Quasar, in all the colors. Lime. Green. This is also cool because the animation, again, is always different. Okay, so got this in like all the colors. Sky blue. Okay, Rad Rock. Also in different colors. Oh, okay. Let's see. How many more of these? Holy cow. That was actually cool. This is probably the coolest one because it looks like ice. What was the original one? Oh, just like crystals or something. Depending on the color. Yeah, I think the sky blue one is the best. Because it makes it look like ice. Okay, moving on. Oh, look, we're almost to the bottom. Oh, we skipped one. The Reaper. And then he dabs at the end, but you can't really see it. But again, I only use that one during Halloween. Like a disco one. Titanium white. Black uneventful. That one's cool. Lots of neon in it. It's okay. Okay, then Bronze Season 12 Goal Explosion. I didn't make it very far in this season. I can't remember what this season was. Bronze, silver. Yeah, I only made it to silver. I only made it to silver this season. I didn't play it a lot. I can't remember what it was. Maybe it wasn't that great of a season. Let's see. Bronze, season 5. It's cool sound effects. Gold. Platinum. Silver. Oh, these are not in order. Because it's alphabetical. Okay, so gold, silver, then gold, then platinum. Yeah. And then I also have the diamond one of that, but because it's favorited, it's up above. This one, I don't really care for. Like, I remember when this one came out in whatever Rocket Pass it was, and I was really disappointed that it didn't paint something. Like, why didn't it write out, like, RL or something, or draw a smiley face or something? Just spraying something? That's very boring to me. Like, oops. Okay. Like, if you get a can of spray paint and you're a street artist, you're out there creating an image. You know, you're drawing something. You don't just go out there and whatever. I don't really care for this one. That's why it's got 0 goals. It comes in blue, gray, orange, saffron, sky blue. Okay. 88 goals with the season bronze, or season 10 bronze. Very basic. Then it gets a slight upgrade. And you go to silver. Oh, and I only made it to silver in that season, clearly. Okay, Shield Breaker. This one's kind of cool. Because it looks like a soccer ball. Get it black. Burnt sienna. Crimson. Pink. Sky blue. Smoke show. Yeah, kind of whatever. Oh, and titanium white. It's like clouds. Look, the little cloud factory. Okay, then we get a solar flare. Oh, this one, solar flare, looks similar to, where is it? What is it, the Quasar one? Where is that? Right, this one. Very similar. Look at this. Quasar blue. It's got a dark little ball and then the streams coming out of it. Here. It's a ball and it's got some little streams in there. It's like almost the exact same thing. So, whatever. Alright, Spatial Rift. Yeah, kind of cool. Blue and yellow. Black. Burnt sienna. Okay, then we've got here the standard ones. Standard green. These are part of the legacy goal explosions. Standard orange. Standard pink. Standard purple. Striker. Which again, this one is very similar to the other one that's a soccer ball. Same soccer ball formation. Striker. Shield breaker. Almost the same. Even almost the same in sound. Little baby supernova. Then you got the slight upgrade to supernova 2. And then you get supernova 3. The sound is epic. I love the sound on this one. Yeah, I clearly use this one a lot. 818. And it looks cool. But most of all, I love the sound. Surge burst. Yeah. Then the titanium white T-Rex, which is basically the other T-Rex, just titanium white. Then the Batman for the new Batman movie. Gray toilet paper. I remember when this one came out. Everybody wanted the burnt sienna toilet paper. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't really do it for me. I have it in 2 other colors. Then Wall Breaker 1. Wall Breaker 2. In different colors. Was there a Wall Breaker 3? No, it's not. Okay, then this one. Just doesn't do a thing for me. And the colored versions, even more boring. So, yep, enough. Okay. Zero's World. I see a lot of people using this one, but it does not excite me. And I have it in burnt sienna and purple. Okay. Alright, that was all of them. Let's go back and finish it with some of my favorites. Definitely the shark. Love that one. Seismic charge. That one's cool. T-Rex. Oh, and of course this one. The sound is amazing. Okay, that is gonna do it for today. If you made it to the end, this is how I'm gonna know if you actually made it to the end of this. If you made it to the end of this video, comment down below. Let me know what is your favorite goal explosion. Just from watching all of these ones, let me know what's your favorite. Or if you're also playing Rocket League, which I'm assuming you are if you watch this video, which goal explosion do you use when you're playing? Comment down below. Let me know. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this. This is really more like, it's kind of nostalgic, I guess, going through and remembering most of these. And some of these I never use, so I don't really see them. So I guess this was kind of fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.